screen's not even aimed at my head. Okay, folks. Yeah, what's this video about? Same shit. Honda stuff, because I'm obsessed with Hondas. I don't think I'm going to be a Honda hoarder. Yeah, maybe not. Anyway, this video is pretty simple. I'll aim the thing down. I'll show you. I picked up a... There we go. Well, anyway, I bought a bike for 50 bucks or 100 bucks. And when I took the carb part, I had this problem. I probably could still use it, but because it's only got that much around it. But instead, I picked up this. I'm not sure if it's the same one, but it looks pretty similar. It's a... Why did I buy the whole carb? Here, I'll explain to you the reason why. I bought the whole carb because there's this thing I learned on eBay that I learned that I don't have a screwdriver either on the bench. On eBay, these stupid things go for like 30 bucks. Yeah, $30 for a little piece of plastic. This one is getting pretty hard as a rock. You could probably hear it. So when I went on eBay, the carb itself, it was either buy this for 30 bucks or buy one of these for 50 bucks. But I found one that has the whole thing on it for, I think it was like $29 or 30 bucks somewhere. So I was like, maybe I'll just buy the whole carb. I have extra parts and then take it apart and see what's in it. And then hopefully not break it. So, I don't know, it looks pretty toasty in there. So, I'll take this band off. And it's crazy because if you go on eBay, and people, I understand people want to make money. Some people are driving up the price of things. I lost this screw. Hold on. Here's the screw band here. Take this off. Even these stupid things are going for stupid amounts of money. It's like, hello, I know you're trying to make money. I know you're parting out a bike and expecting to make millions off it, or at least double your money because bike parts aren't cheap. But, you know, and I know like shipping costs a lot and a whole lot of things like that. But come on now. Little things like this shouldn't be 30 bucks because you're forcing people to buy hose clamps. So anyway, let's take this off here. Come on, get off there. Come on. I'm gonna have to put in some hot water or something. No, it doesn't want to come off. I don't want to rip it or break it because it's... Maybe I should put some lubrication. Have any? What's this? Parts degreaser. Let me put a little jab of lube in there so I can... Okay, now it's moving. It's gonna pop off. Here we go. That off there. Take the lubey stuff off here in case it eats it. I know you should heat these up, or not heat up, but put them in warm water when you put them on, or you can use a hairdryer. This one's not too bad. Like this one's a little more pliable. It doesn't. But I mean, come on now. Like really, 30 bucks for this? Somebody should make one. I'm gonna check out the state of this carburetor. I need a little brush. I could have swore I bought a whole bunch of little brushes. Where did they go? Little brushes. Hold on. I'm not using any. I'm not going apeshit on this. Don't. Oh, I even got the. I didn't realize I got a broken petcock here. Just trying to clean the dust off. Broken petcock. Who's the one who came up with that word, petcock? I don't know. Who had a petcock? Not sure. No, do I have enough vice grips? I don't know. I don't know. I think I need more. What I need is needle nose pliers. So I need needle nose. Everybody knows. Do I got needle nose? No. Check in the drawer. Do. 'Cause. Does anybody got needle nose? No. Check in the drawer. Check in the drawer. Does anybody got needle nose? No. Does anybody got needle nose? No. Check in the drawer. Check in the drawer. Does anybody got needle nose? No. Check in the drawer. Check in the drawer. Does anybody got needle nose? I got these things. That'll work. these things might work. Get these little suckers off here. And this might come off. I don't think so. Ugh, Jesus. What is this, lead? Iron? Oh. Well, look at that. It's so great. The hose is so... I swear, the old hoses end up like turning into like lead pipe. So anyway, with that said, we know that's... I'm just cleaning the dust off this thing. I didn't bring my super duper expensive Ryobi tool this time. I know, it's a cheap tool. It's the homeowner brand tool. Yeah, I'm one of those people that buy top-notch, high-quality Ryobi shit. But you know what? If it does the job, who gives a shit, right? Who cares? And the only reason why I own yellow tools, that yellow brand tools, is because back in the, and I've said this many times in videos, back in the day I picked up a, what do you call it? They were on sale, and I was like, you know what? I like that color. I was like, which one do I buy? Milwaukee and Makita. It was in the 18-volt era, where everything was like, meh. Mind you, I still like 18-volt tools. You know why? Because the nickel cadmium batteries work great in the winter. I brought some, what do you call it? DeWalt 22-volt lithium batteries, and man, did they just die. Oh, look at that. Look at the crusties in there. That's got some crusty in there. Wait, where's my little picky thing here? Holy camoli. It's like yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's got lots of... Anybody want some caramel? I can send it to you in the mail. Homemade caramel. By Honda. Okay, that's in there. If that's in there, what else is in here? This little piece is, I don't know, on backwards or something. The jets are all whatever. Doesn't seem that bad. I mean, clearly it needs to be cleaned. I don't know how to set these things, so don't even ask. I'm assuming this goes like, well, the inside looks sort of okay. Sort of, kind of, whatever. It's clean in here. This, where the gasoline goes, is scuzzy. Floats clean. Like, it's not yummity and gummitied up. It's not terrible. I've seen, look at that grunt. It's not supposed to be brown. But at least it's, ta-da. There, it fits in there fine like that. How the hell does it know where to seat like that? Oh, there's a notch. There we go. That goes in the notch. Not notch. So that put over there. Let's clean off some other shit here. It's not terrible. It's not terrible shape. I would get it, honestly, I would send this out to, I've been trying to send my Carburator to 223 cycles, which I have absolutely heard zero bad things from, other than the fact that they do such excellent jobs. They are busy, and nobody can seem to get a, what do you call it, carburetor clean there. So, because they're so busy, which is probably a great thing, because you know what? If you got a business and you're busy as hell and have a ton of customers, hey, you're either doing a great job or you have a great business. So one day I'll send my carburetor to, was his name Curdy, or I don't know. Everybody on the Honda message boards highly recommends him. It's seen, from what I can tell, it's reasonably priced, and I wish I could. I what do you call it? Went online and tried to. How the hell do you get this? How does this cable come out of there now? Oh boy, that's gonna be fun. How does that come out? How does that come out? Okay, is that stuck in there? Maybe. Get it. There's a clip in there. There's something in there. That goes on the side. There's an itty bitty clip in there. That's not moving. That's not moving. Good thing I have another carb. So when this thing is not moving. So I don't know what the hell the problem is. It's probably stuck. It's probably seized. Probably. I probably shouldn't stick a screwdriver in here, but nope. See what else comes off in here. See what else comes out. Like I said, I bought it for the hose. This is just a practice carb. Practice. Anybody else in motorcycle land buy things to practice fixing stuff on? Like me? I know I'm not the only one that buys stuff to practice taking shit apart. And it's not coming out. Is that one coming out? Don't tell me the float's stuck. Come on. Come on, flotilla. I usually push this out of here. Nope. The float is stuck. Floaty, floaty. Okay, this one is... Okay, that one's good. That one comes out. That one... I need a small wrench. Get the other one out. That's loose. I don't know how many turns these are, so I don't know. If you ask me if I know what I'm doing, I'm just going to laugh because, you know, do I know what I'm doing with a carb? No. Nope, 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 nope. I'm about as fluent in carburetor talk as I am in Chinese. I know how to say ni hao. All I know how to do is ni hao. Oh, that one broke. Oh, you heat that up. I already broke something on my brand new carburetor. So anyway, that still opens. I don't know what the hell. I'm assuming that plunger comes right out because in the other one, it's on the bike. So this one is, she's not budging. So. Am I out of juice? I'm out of air. We'll let it, what do you call it? Soak in fluid. So anyway, this carb it's not cooperating. Oh no. Put some lube in there, put some lube in there, put some stuff in there. Stuff on there and on there. And maybe on, where else? This is like, I don't know what this is, but okay. So I should probably put, what is it? Where's this one going on? This one goes in here. Oh, wrong way, wrong way, wrong way. Why is it not going right? Put that down in there. I'm just going to put it in. I'll heat this with a torch and gently twerk it out of there. I have a shindy kit, so don't worry. A shindy kit. This is the adjustment one. So that's that. This is the spring that goes in here. Put that. I guess I'm guessing whoever took this apart, the little plunger wouldn't come out. So yeah. This must be a pain in the ass now. Watch this. This won't fit through there. See, here we go. Come on. Get in there. Christ. There we go. That was cut. Why did they cut it right there? Stupid thing to do. Apparently this unscrews. That unscrews. Let's take a... Come on. Ooh, look at that. Cable. Ta-da! There we go. Take the cable end out, since we can't get the cable out. spring back in there so I don't lose it. Run the cable back through and put this cap on. Alright, come on. Get under. There we go. There's that. Ahoy! What else do I got here? At least I got some spare parts. Which was my... The good part is when you take this apart and put it back together, take it apart, put it back together, and you're just a amateur hack like me. Guess what? You know what it does? It teaches you how to fix one of these things. And I want to put this back because I don't have all night to do this. I have another video of a 200 carb. And if you're watching this and think you're going to learn how to fix this, I'm not making this video because I'm trying to teach anybody how to fix carbs. This is what I do it. I tinker in my garage and I play with things and I fix stuff. And so I'm going to let that soak so I can get this cable out and I'm going to clean the whole thing. And in the meantime, see, I need to figure out how to do this. The best way to figure out how to do this is take it apart a few times, put it back together, take it apart, put it back together. Pretty soon you kind of force yourself to memorize how to do it. So this goes what, right there, I think? Yeah. Right there. Oh, wait, nope. No. Okay, that goes on there. A little ugly washer. This goes over here, I think, like that. Or does it go like this? I think. I don't know. This goes on here. And I think... Is it going the first one? I think it goes like that. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, that's how it goes. That goes down like that. See, the little screw holds the plate down and it goes from 1, 2, 3. It's pretty, I don't know how the hell they invent these things, but got me on that one. There's this goes with it, and then this. I'm going to have to soak this in something. I mean, I'm going to have to get some plastic conditioner or something, just to see if it works. But anyway, that's my little video. If I wasted your time, I'm sorry. If you were trying to learn how to clean it, the only thing I can tell you is get a little Dremel thing and just use those little wire brushes and it cleans it off. That's all I got. I'm not a carb expert by far. There's these little bit. Check this out, the little chunk. Somebody just tore it right off. Clunk. Wonder if it was still good too. Oh no, it was seized. Kind of like the hose. Check this out. It's so old. It's like hard. I don't know. It's not even flexible. It's just it feels like gut, like clay. Anyway, with that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell all your friends, all your loved ones, all your future lovers, your significant others. Tell them about my channel and how much you love it. I always sit here and take apart carbs in the middle of the night. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to type stuff, click buttons, all that crap. Thanks for watching.